welcome to Irini's Crochet Corner. In today's video, we're going to be learning about the foundation chain. Before we get started, we are going to learn how to hold the hook. There are two ways of holding the hook. We either hold it as a knife, so our hand is on top of the hook, and we put the thumb on that flat area of the hook. Or we hold it as a pen, so our hand is below the hook. Now we're going to be starting with the foundation knot. The end of the yarn is stretched to our right side, and the other end attached to the yarn ball is on our left side. We make a loop as such, and then we take that loop and we move it on top of the yarn side attached to the yarn ball. Then we pull that middle yarn through the loop, and we pull on the two sides of the yarn to adjust the knot. Now we have the loop. We just pull on the yarn to adjust the loop size, and we insert the hook into that loop and pull again on the yarn to adjust its size. So we're going to yarn over and pull through the loop on the hook. One more time, we yarn over and pull through the hook and pull through the loop on the hook. Yarn over and pull through the loop. Yarn over and pull through the loop. We keep repeating this to as many number of chains that we need. Now we are ready to look into our chains. So the chain is made up of a V shape from one side, and if we look at the back of it, we find bumps. We are now ready to count how many chains we have done so far. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and that loop on the hook is not to be counted as a stitch. This is an unfinished stitch, so we don't count that loop. So in the example we have in the video, we have 19 finished chain stitches. We've reached the end of our video for today. I hope it was helpful for you. Don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and please subscribe to the channel and follow me on Facebook and Instagram. And we're gonna see you next time. Take care.